Hi guys, you're welcome to Lovey-Dovey channel. In this channel you get tips on weight loss, on healthy lifestyle and on skincare. Please, if you are seeing this channel for the first time, my name is Nyemak. Please kindly help to hit the red subscribe button and subscribe to this channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much for always being there for me. And please, I want to plead with every one of you, kindly subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell so that you will be the first to get notified whenever a new video uploaded. And remember to hit the like button, share this video with your friends and families, and also remember to leave your comments. All these things actually help this channel to grow. They help this channel to grow, and they also help to add a lot of sauce to this channel. Please commend my efforts by doing these things. Appreciate me by doing all these things. In today's video, I'm just going to be giving you a very simple remedy. Simple remedy you can use to burn your belly fat, that you can use to lose weight. Yes, and in this remedy you're just going to be using 2 ingredients, and these are ingredients you can always find in your home. One of the ingredients we'll be using is the coffee. And now here I am using the Nescafe. I know a lot of us know this Nescafe, but probably we do not know how effective it is. And this one is very bitter. You know, when you are looking for something that will work, you don't need to think of the taste anyway. But let me tell you, when you add lemon to this, it won't be as bitter as you think. And the second one we'll be using is the lemon. Yes. So but before I start, I would like to tell you more about this coffee. You know, this coffee helps us to burn fat. It helps to improve our energy level. Once you take coffee first thing in the morning, man, I tell you, you will be so energetic. Do you know it also reduces the risk of diabetes? Yes, it does reduce the risk of diabetes. Yes, and even for those people that are suffering from dementia, this can help you. And it can also help to reduce the risk of dementia. It will help to keep you away from dementia. That is how good it is. Even Parkinson's disease, it will help to keep Parkinson's disease away from you. And this also fights depression. It fights depression. You can see what is happening all over the world. A lot of people are being depressed. You need this to fight depression. Also, it suppresses the risk of cancer. Coffee has a lot of benefits to the body. It lowers the risk of stroke, and it's very high in antioxidants. It has a lot of benefits that I cannot just start mentioning here. So it is good for us to take this as our first drink in the morning. You know, try to replace your soda with coffee or any other healthy drink. It will help you. Yes, people don't like the bitter taste of coffee, but I tell you, once you take your coffee and add lime to it, it will definitely suppress the bitter taste. It won't be as awful as you think it will be when you take it without the lemon. And now we are going to be talking about the lemon. You can see that lemon is very good and very healthy to human. Lemon has a very good source of vitamin C. If you need vitamin C, lemon is good for you. It promotes hydration. It helps you to stay hydrated. It helps you to drink lots and lots of fluids. And it is also very good for weight loss, in case we don't know. Lemon, it also improves the skin health. It improves the skin health and also refreshes the breath. You can see how good lemon is. It also has a lot of benefits that I also cannot mention everything. So now let's go into the procedure for this remedy proper. So get started now with the procedure, guys. We have to choose the lemon. As you can see, this lemon, this is a much more bigger lemon. So I'm going to be using half of this lemon. like this, you do not need to have it. You can use this bowl. Okay, so I'm using this. This is bigger, so I will have it. Just make sure you juice it out. Please, guys, if you are using lemon, make sure you use the one that has seeds, okay? Any lemon that does not have seeds is not a lemon. Use the one that has seeds. Don't use seedless lemon. Lemon that has seeds are the main lemon. Like this, my juicer, it has a filter in it, so the seeds cannot even go in. Sorry. Now let me just take 1 teaspoon of my coffee. I've gotten a teaspoon of my coffee. Guys, it depends on the quantity you want. You can actually use 2 teaspoons. It all depends on you. Then you add your hot water. Make sure your water is very, very hot, so like you are making your tea. Just make sure it's very hot, just like the one you use in making your tea. Okay, and you stir it very, very well. You know, I just love the smell, the aroma of coffee. I love it. But when you put it in your mouth, the taste is not just as the taste is not like the aroma you get from it. So there's no big deal. Like I told you, this has a sieve in it, so the seeds cannot pass it. So you just add your lemon juice. Lemon is very, very healthy, like I said before we started the process of making it. And this remedy is as simple as this, guys. Just make sure you stir it very well and let it sit very, very well. You know, you can actually take this on an empty stomach first thing in the morning. Okay, I have a lot of early morning and night drink that I use. Okay, and one of the best of it that I've actually used is still my ACV. You know, normally I always add my ACV to this thing. Okay, but you can actually take it like this. I also do take it like this, but because I believe so much in my ACV, there's nothing wrong in you taking your coffee like this. Okay, let me just see. Wow, it's still very, very hot. It's still very, very hot. I'm just going to drink this. Be sure to take it on an empty stomach, please, and you are good to go. So guys, thank you for staying tuned to my channel. Please remember to subscribe, remember to share, remember to like my video, And remember to click on notification bell to get more and more remedy from me. Like I said, all the remedy you see on my channel are things that I have experienced and things that I've actually made research for. They are very, very effective. You can always rely on it. But remember, like I said, I am not a physician, I am not a doctor, I'm not a nurse, I am not a nutritionist, and I am not a weight loss queen or king. But because of the experience I have gotten through my weight loss journey, that is why I decided to start sharing them with those who are in need, or who are in need to lose weight. Okay, so please kindly appreciate my efforts and subscribe. Give this, it doesn't take anything from you, please. If you are the same data you are using that you will use, please subscribe. God bless you. God bless you. Bye. We love you.